Hello everyone. Now this video will teach you how to transfer the head adaptive data from the dollar drive to expansion drive. Now we can see this is the DFO WD from repair software. We allow using this software to transfer the head adaptive data from the dollar drive to the pension drive. To transfer the head adaptive data, we need to learn where is the head adaptive data. The head adaptive data is actually stored within the ROM 47. This is ROM module, and when we are trying to read this one, and we can find the head adaptive data here. Anyway, we have one easy method. Now let's check. We can find it here. Under the ROM operations, we can find this menu called Head Adaptive Data. And this one, we can see there are 4 heads. So the preamplifier parameters, there are 4 columns with valid data. That means these data are the head adaptive data, and we can copy these values from the dollar drive and write down, and later we can collect this pension drive and paste this data. We use the same data to put to the pension hard drive. So the pension drive will have exactly the same preamplifier head adaptive data. So this one is very easy. So users just need to go to the ROM operations and click the head adaptive data and write down these 4 values, and then select the pension hard drives, and then write the dollar head adaptive data to the pension hard drives. So for the Western Digital SMR hard drives, it is very important to transfer the head adaptive data from the dollar drive to the pension drive. Users need to use the dollar heads and also need to use the dollar head adaptive data at the same time for a higher head swap success rate. So this data need to go with the heads. It's very easy. Click Write or click Edit. The new adaptive data will be written to the ROM, to the module 47. Thank you for watching the video.